Today, social media is one of the most powerful tools for growing a business. Even if you start from home, posting your products online can help you reach more customers and increase your sales. Don't just create great products, let the world see them.
Whether your business is brand new or already established, social media marketing can make a huge difference in your growth. Social media posters, reels, and social media content can help your business get noticed, reach more potential customers, and turn attention into sales. So, why wait? Take a picture of your product, even if it's just a simple picture taken with your phone, and send it to me. I'll turn that picture into a professional business poster that you can use on your Instagram, Facebook, or other social media platforms. You don't need a fancy camera or expensive equipment to get started. Start with what you have and let your content do the marketing for you. Just one important thing. When you send me your product picture, don't forget to include all the details you want on the poster. Your business name, phone number, social media handle, website, price, location, or any other important information. Let's make your business look professional, reach more customers, and grow online. Fire, social media, money. And remember, your business doesn't have to be big to look professional. Start small, promote consistently, and keep growing.